trees.
Yeah, been rainy.
Yes. Just how rainy
No
has
doubt.
it been?
Yeah.
I thought you needed me to lob it up for you.
What I was saying is unless you've been living under a rock, I mean, obviously you know how rainy it's been recently, and yeah. Let's take a look back at the last 2 weeks and see where we stand as well. So this month, and remember, we're only 5 days into the month here, over 3.5 inches of rain because we got another inch plus last night into this morning from that round of showers and storms that rolled through. We're above normal for the month by almost 3 inches. This year, 28 inches of rain, 28.64 the total for the year so far. We're above normal by well over 11 inches. And by the way, we average about 37 inches for the entire year. So we only have another less than 10 inches to go before we're above normal for the entire year. To date, it's the 5th wettest year to date. It has been the 6th wettest year with last night's rain. Now we're the 5th wettest year to date. And there's also been 41 years on record that didn't see 28.64 inches of rain the entire year, and we're only about halfway through the year. Remember, we can also be very rainy in the month of June. We can also be very rainy in the fall. I think I misspoke a little bit earlier in this newscast where I said June was normally our 2nd rainiest month. It's actually the 3rd. I'm sorry. I was off by 1. October, normally the 2nd wettest month of the year. So it can be rather rainy headed into the fall. Here's what fell last night into this morning. About 50% coverage. DFW to the east saw rain. If you were just west of 35, you didn't really see very much. Inch totals from McKinney, Gainesville, Sherman, Bonham, Greenville saw over 2 inches. Dallas over 1.5 inches. Waxahachie over 1.5 inches. Terrell 1.45. Canton over 1.5 inches. But here's what's fallen over the last 2 weeks. Look at this. 10 plus inches in McKinney. Same thing in Greenville. Dallas has picked up over 8 inches. Sherman's picked up over 8 inches in the last 2 weeks. Canton's picked up over 10 inches, and that's why we've had all the flooding issues with any rain that's fallen. It's just because all of this has had nowhere to go recently. All of our lakes are full from the DFW area to the east because of all that recent rain as well. Thankfully, we're going to dry out for a couple of days here. I don't have any more rain tonight. No more complexes of showers and storms tonight and into tomorrow morning. Our next chance for rain looks like probably this weekend. We're dry tonight. We're dry during the day tomorrow. Anything stays up in Oklahoma tonight into tomorrow and also through the day on Friday, it looks like, although this weak front may get close enough that there could be maybe a stray shower or storm in our northwestern areas Friday and into Saturday. But as of now, I'm going to keep us dry. We'll keep an eye on that. Saturday, it looks like mostly dry for now, but as that front gets a little closer to us, some showers and storms possible late in the day on Sunday, Sunday night, and into Monday, a round of rain, and then maybe just a little rain to start the day on Monday as well. So right now I got us dry. As I said, Thursday and Friday, 20% coverage Saturday, but then the coverage kind of ramps up Sunday, Sunday night, and into Monday. That's your next chance at potentially seeing some showers and storms. In the meantime, tonight, some patchy fog is possible with light winds and seasonable weather, 70 for the low tomorrow. And then tomorrow afternoon, a hot, dry, and breezy day, 95 for the high. Ozone action day in effect. Thankfully, one more day of the humidity won't be too terrible tomorrow, but it will still be hot anyway with that high of 95. Humidity will return the rest of the week, and so those heat index values through the weekend will probably be close to that 100-degree mark. But with that rain comes a little cooler weather next week, so it's that time of year, as I said this earlier, it's that time of the year where if you want cooler weather, usually it's going to come with rain chances because our cold fronts this time of the year really aren't cold fronts.
Right.
They're not so hot fronts.
Right.
It's really what we got to call them. But usually when they happen this time of year, they're going to give us some rain chances. So those two things go hand in hand. But at least we have a few days to dry out before our next chances.
Kyle, thank you for that. I think it's welcome news for us all.